In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the currency on QuickBooks, a useful skill that takes only about 5 minutes to learn. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to go to QuickBooks Online. If you haven't already, open your preferred web browser and head over to the QuickBooks Online website. Once you're there, you'll want to look at the top right corner of the screen where you'll see the Sign In button. Give that a click and it will take you to the login page. You'll now enter your login credentials, specifically your email and password, to access your QuickBooks account. It's important to make sure that these details are correct. After you've entered your information, hit the sign in button again to proceed. Once you're signed into QuickBooks, the next step is to find where you can change your settings. This is where the magic happens. Look towards the upper right section of your QuickBooks dashboard and you should see a gear icon. That's your settings icon, the gateway to all your customization needs. Give it a click. After you've opened the settings menu, you'll want to navigate to the account and settings option from the drop down list. Select it, and this will lead you to more detailed account settings. You're on the right track. Now you'll see several tabs on the left side of the page. The one we are interested in is labeled Advanced. Clicking on the Advanced tab will bring you to a new set of options tailored for more detailed settings. From here, look for the currency section. Here's where you control the currency settings for your QuickBooks account. In the currency section, you can change your currency by selecting your desired option under Home Currency. It's worth mentioning that if your business deals in multiple currencies, you might want to turn on the multi-currency feature. This option is right under the same currency section. Enabling multi-currency allows your QuickBooks account to accommodate transactions in different currencies, which can be incredibly useful for businesses operating internationally. After making the necessary changes, the final step is to save those settings. Look for the Save button, usually located at the bottom of the page, and click it. This ensures that all your changes are applied and will take effect immediately. And there you have it. In just a few minutes, you've learned how to change the currency on QuickBooks, and even how to enable multi-currency if needed. I hope this tutorial was clear and easy to follow. Thank you for watching, and don't hesitate to leave a comment if you have any questions or need further assistance.